Steve Koss. I'm a partner in the business, litigation, and health law practice groups. I've been a lawyer for 11 years. I chose to work at Rupp Falls-Graf because I'm a big believer in Buffalo in our community. Prior to joining Rupp Falls-Graf, I had a sense of its community involvement. I would see them at different events, engage at different events, sponsoring different events, and then coming here and joining the practice. The community involvement with Rupp Falls-Graf is very impressive. They sponsor a lot of events and organizations, different groups that are near and dear to my heart. A big one is Roswell, and Rupp does a great work for the Ride for Roswell each year. So I wanted to work somewhere that cared about the Buffalo community as much as I do, so that's why I chose to work here. The work that I find most rewarding in my practice area is being able to help a client in a time of need. I used to be a public defender in criminal court, helping people with misdemeanors and felonies. Now here at Rupp Falls-Graf, and over the last 5 to 6 years as a civil litigator, I can help a business when they have been wronged or when they're facing a lawsuit, but also in the healthcare practice group, specifically with a guardianship. And what that is when somebody becomes unable to take care of their personal needs or property interest, family usually don't know what to do. And they come to us here in our health law practice group. We're able to guide them, show them that things will be okay, and that their loved ones will be taken care of. We're able to get into court, help them seek a guardianship of their loved one where they can step into that person's shoes and take care take care of that person and act in their best interest. So families usually don't know that's a possibility, and when the case is over, they're very thankful for our help so their loved one is taken care of. So I find that type of work very meaningful. A fun fact about me is I enjoy cooking. In the fall, I really like to hang out on my back patio and watch college football and use my smoker. I can make a mean brisket or pulled pork or ribs, so I really enjoy doing that. In the wintertime, I like to obviously be inside, and I can make a pretty good pot of chicken noodle soup or a bolognese. So I think if you tried some of my food, you'd be pretty impressed. A legal tip. I think above all else, you need to be honest with your lawyer. You shouldn't hide anything from your lawyer. Everything you say to your lawyer is protected by an attorney-client privilege. And I think, from the outset, the lawyer needs to know the strengths and weaknesses of each case. So facts should not be embellished or construed. Just tell it straight to your lawyer. It's our job as your attorney to figure out how to use the facts to best support your case to your advantage. So I think, going into court, I need to know what I'm dealing with, honestly. And again, I can promote the facts that help your case, and the facts that don't help your case, the weaknesses, we'll address them and get them out in the open, just deal with it. But again, being honest with your lawyer can only help you in the long run.